Hello and welcome. I'm back here at Lowe's checking out the latest deals they have going on for this week. I'm going to start off here with the Simpson Pro Series Gas 3500 PSI power washer. It's 2.5 gallons per minute and it has a triplex pump. They have it on a special right now for 2 days only, which is starting today, the 17th through March 19th. For $4.99, that's saving $80. It was $5.79. You have till the 19th. So it comes with the spray wand, a 25-foot hose, as well as the different nozzles, which is a 0 degree, 15, 25, 40, and a soap nozzle. Looks like it also has a downstream injector hose. So it has the AAA pump, which is pretty good. 5-year pump warranty, 10-year warranty on the frame plan. So that's pretty good. This is a good power washer compared to the Greenworks and the Craftsman. This is going to be the next step up from those, but it's not going to be the full, say like 4,000 PSI, 4 gallon a minute machine or 3.5 gallon a minute one, which that one is priced at $7.99, saving $50. But this is going to be a good all-around power washer to be able to do most tasks with it. They're having a limited time deal where you buy a 60-volt Toro lawnmower and you get a free Toro 60-volt 5-amp-hour battery. It is a limited time deal. That is valid from the 6th of this month through April 2nd. So you have a little bit left of the month to be able to capture that if you're looking for the Toro platform. Otherwise, so the price of the mowers for this 8-amp-hour battery kit one for $6.79. It's a 22-inch deck size. It runs up to 60 minutes on that 8-amp-hour battery. The other option for $4.99, they have one with a 6-amp-hour battery up to a 52-minute runtime, and that's a 21-inch deck size. So you buy either of those two mowers and you get the free 60-volt 5-amp-hour battery. They have a deal on the Ego commercial backpack blower. It has two 6-amp-hour batteries. They have it priced at now $5.99, and it was $6.99. It has up to a 75-minute runtime, 800 CFM. Like I mentioned, two 6-amp-hour batteries, and it goes up to 190 miles per hour. It has a limited 5-year warranty and a 3-year battery warranty. So again, the deal is $5.99, and it was $6.99. And if that's too much blower for you, then they do have a handheld one here with a deal priced at $179, and it was $219, so saving $40 there. And it's 170 miles per hour, 2.5-amp-hour battery and charger included. It's 56 volt and a 615 CFM, so that's not bad. They're having a limited time deal on this DeWalt portable wet dry vacuum. It's a 9-gallon, 5 horsepower. It does come with a 3-year limited warranty, 1-year free service, 90 days money back guarantee. It has the new quiet technology. They have it on special starting today, the 17th, through the 28th of this month. And this is for Pro Savings Days, limited time deal at $99. It was $129. Now, the question is if you have to actually be the Pro member to get that deal, or if you just have to be a regular Lowe's member as well. I'm not sure, but that's how they have it labeled. But if you're a Pro member, you can at least get it for $99. Then they have a 5.5 horsepower option here. It is a 12-gallon size, priced at $119 at a special value. It was $139. They have another thing for the My Rewards members. They call it a Door Buster deal for this little giant extra light plus 5-foot aluminum step ladder. On sale for $79. And you only have a couple days, the 17th through the 19th, to get that deal. Better hurry. They have a special limited time only on this Warner 8-foot fiberglass Type 1A 300-pound load capacity step ladder. They have it on special for $139, and it was $179. Looks like that's valid until April 30th. And they have a couple of different deals going with the DeWalt air compressors. They have one here that's 4.5 gallon, 225 max PSI, runs at 78 decibels. They have it priced at $339, and it was $399. Then the other option that they have here is a 2-stage one. They have this now priced at $429, and it was $469. They don't mention how long that deal is good for, so I'd imagine if you're in the market for one of these two, then you better get it before they change the price again. And they have a deal going on with the Metabo, the tank 8-gallon one. This thing looks pretty big. Big tank there. Looks pretty nice. It is 8 gallons, maximum of 225 psi, 76 decibels. They have this deal price at $379, and it was $429. Again, I don't know when it's going to expire, but they don't have an end date. And they have the tank Metabo HPT one here. Still has 2 ports. It's 1.3 horsepower, 6-gallon, 200 psi max. They have that deal at My Rewards member pricing only at $179, and it was $199, saving $20 there. So they have this deal with a DeWalt 20-volt 2-pack of the 4-amp-hour batteries, priced at $99, saving $80 there. They have that pricing good from March 17th through March 28th. And this is, again, it's a pro savings days, limited time deal. They do have signs for other pro savings days, like, for example, a reciprocating saw by DeWalt for $99, saving $40. It's not really a deal when they've had this sign up here for your choice of $99, and they have the reciprocating saw, grinder, vacuum, Bluetooth speaker, but they have the signs here. So it's no additional savings really for the pro members. They have a deal going on with the Cobalt 15 amp lightweight magnesium 7¼ inch circular saw with electric brake. They had that priced at $59.98, and it was $89. And they have the Bosch 12 amp keyless reciprocating saw with variable speed, 0 to 2800 SPM. They had that priced at $99. It was $119. They have a couple different deals on the Cobalt miter saws here. They have a 7¼ inch compound miter saw, priced at $119. It was $149. This is a fixed one. It's not a sliding one. It'd be good for cutting like small planks of flooring, that sort of thing, or trim. The other option they have is the 7¼ inch sliding single bevel miter saw. The deal price at $139. It was $199. They also have a 10-inch single bevel compound miter saw by Metabo HPT. They have that deal price at $109. It was $169. Another Cobalt option they have is it's a 10-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw. They have that deal price at $249, and it was $289. And then they have the Craftsman 10-inch sliding compound miter saw. It is also a double bevel, and they have that priced at $209, and it was $249. They have some different deals on the Klein Tools shears or scissors. They have this one here. It is a 10-inch professional shears, titanium coated for long-lasting sharpness, it says. It's for roofing, flooring, thick leather, thin sheet metal. They had that priced at $14.98, and it was $19.98. And also they have the compact titanium coated utility shears that are 7-inch ones. The blades are probably maybe 2.5 inch or so. And they have this also priced at $14.98. It was $19.98. It says this can cut leather, siding, vinyl, and thin sheet metal. They still have the deal going on for this new lower price on the DeWalt 8¼ inch table saw with a 24.5 inch rip capacity. That is going to have the rack and pinion type fence, which is awesome. They had that new lower price at $299, and it was $399. Not bad for a compact job site table saw. They still have the deal going on with the 10-inch job site table saw with the stand. It also, this one has a 32.5 inch rip capacity, which is awesome. They have that also priced at $549. It was $649. They say this is a limited time deal until March 28th. I do believe this is the same deal actually they have going on at Home Depot. So just be mindful of that. If you want to go to Home Depot instead, they have available there as well. Same price. And they have the Bosch 10-inch job site table saw with gravity rise wheeled stand. New lower price, $599. It was $649. This one has a 32.1/8 inch right rip capacity and then a 14.1/8 left rip capacity. Goes up to 3,800 RPM. It's 15 amp. This is a great saw. And they also have this Cobalt 10-inch portable table saw with a stand, priced at only $2.99, and it was $3.49. They have a deal going on with this Cobalt 10-piece bimetal hole saw set. It is 10-piece. It cuts through wood, PVC, steel, and aluminum. They have this deal price at $49.98, and it was $69.98. And if you need a cheap compressor, they have this 3-gallon portable pancake air compressor. They have this deal priced at $49.98, and it was $79.98. They have the Klein Tools Flip 10 Deep Well Heavy Duty Socket Set. They have that priced at $29.98, and it was $49. They have a deal on the Klein's Tools 3-piece Premium All-Purpose Step Bit Kit. It's kind of hard to see behind the glass there. They have this now priced at $69.98, and it was $99. And if you need just a single step bit, they have a few different options here. They have one here that's goes from 7/8 to 1 3/8, priced at $39.98. It was $59.98. Another one here that's from 7/8 to 1 1/8. They have that price now at $29.98, and it was $49.98. I do have a deal going on with the Gladiator garage storage. On select ones, they say it's 20% off, and it's good for the My Lowe's rewards as well as My Lowe's Pro rewards. So 20% off. You actually only have a couple days left. It goes until March 19th. I do have this Cobalt 4-tier steel utility shelving unit. It is 77 inches by 24 by 72, priced at $2.99. But they actually have one here that's 84-inch wide one, and they have that price with the Lowe's deals at $3.89. That's good until the 19th. As I mentioned, it is 84 inches wide, 24 inches deep by 84 high. So this is a little bit larger than the other units that you would see at like Costco or Sam's Club, but that is an additional $90 for the little bit larger size. I still think that the ones at Sam's Club and Costco are a better deal, that are priced at $199 there, and that's basically 6 foot wide and 6 foot tall. So 72 by 72, whereas this is 84. So you get an extra foot for that $90. All right, that's going to conclude this week's tool deal video. I appreciate you watching. Please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these deal videos, and I hope you have a great day.